After a dip in prices over the winter, one fear I'm seeing in sellers is having their home appraised for less than the contract price. So knowing this, as the buyer, you can use the appraisal gap hack to beat out other offers and open escrow on your dream home. Here's how it works. In section L28B of the California Residential Purchase Agreement, there's a section where you can input how much under the contract price the appraisal can come back, and you'd still choose to close escrow on the home. This lets the seller know right up front that you have some funds in reserve to cover the gap, and you're willing to put them to use for that purpose. So here's what the math on a typical deal might look like. You write on a property, a house, with a contract price of $800,000. In section L28B, you input a price of $775,000. The appraisal comes back low at $780,000, but the seller doesn't have to worry because you've already agreed to bring that extra $20,000 to close escrow. But what happens if the appraisal comes back very low at $750,000? In that case, as the buyer, you get to pick whether you want to bring the extra money needed to close or just walk away. That's the beauty of using the appraisal gap hack. In my opinion, it's a much more credible incentive for my sellers to pick your offer than just waiving the appraisal entirely.